Hey guys, today I'm making Naan Khatai. Start by adding your softened butter or ghee into a bowl and mix it well. Then add in the icing sugar and castor sugar and mix together till smooth and creamy. Then add in the semolina, baking soda or bicarbonate of soda, baking powder, ground cardamom, and ground nutmeg and mix together well. Then start adding in flour a little at a time, mixing well after each addition. Continue to add in flour till you have a soft but not sticky dough. Divide the dough into equal portions, and I did this by using a 1.5 tablespoon ice cream scoop. Roll each piece of dough into a ball and place it onto a greased baking tray. Place a raw almond on the top of each ball of dough and push it in slightly. Then bake in a 180-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely, and they are ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!